What if I like a very low chance burp redeem? How does that sound? Yeah, burp alert. I can do that right now. I told you guys I can burp on command, right? I can do that. Okay, I got your burp. All right. Okay, I'm gonna record it. Okay, it'll be as authentic as it can get. Okay, give me a minute. It was so small. Wait, it's literally just this little sound bite. Wait. It's so tiny. I can burp bigger. Wait, let me drink some water. Hang on. Give me a minute. Hang on. Give me a minute. Hang on. Okay, I think I drank a little too fast there. Hang on. Okay. One more. It's still so small. What is wrong with me? It's so small. I can't do it. Why can't I do it? Why can't I do it? When I want to, I can't. I need that RC code. I don't have any soda at home. Everyone's disappointed in my burps. I'm so sad. I'm trying. I feel like I'm gonna vomit if I burp any harder. Oh my god. Stage fright burp in lowercase. Oh my god.